my name is Chef Brian C, and today we're going to do how to make a breakfast sandwich. I like to make my breakfast sandwiches with English muffins. So what you can do is go ahead and cut your English muffin in half. Go ahead and pop that in the toaster so that it's warm. You're going to get 2 eggs. Go ahead and scramble them up into a bowl and cook it however you like to cook it. I usually like to cook it so that it's in one piece so that it fits well onto, it stays well onto your breakfast sandwich. And then you can use your favorite meat. Today we're going to use a couple pieces of bacon. And next we want to do have a slice of cheese. Your favorites, whatever you want, but today we're going to use Colby Jack. After you've toasted your English muffin, go ahead and put a little butter on it on both sides on the inside. Throw the cheese onto one of the sides and put the hot egg on that side with the cheese. That way it'll help melt the cheese. Go ahead and we're going to throw the bacon on there today, and that's how you make a breakfast sandwich.